Since the passing of Hurricane Melissa, the NHF team has remained very committed to providing medication to all residents in Jamaica. We initiated early refill on the NHF card prior to the hurricane, and immediately after we ensured that most of our facilities were up and running. 90% of our locations are now functional, and we have activated mobile services in the parishes that were hardest hit. From the NHF end, all our warehouses are fully open and have been sending out supplies and medication. In the 4 major parishes affected, we have processed over 27,000 prescriptions to date, and our mobile pharmacy services were deployed on November 4 and have been operating successfully in many communities. In fact, with the mobile service, we were able to see 2,700 patients. We realize that some persons may have lost their NHF cards, so I'm pleased to report that all our card centers are now open, up and running. You may go and get a new NHF card and access service at our provider locations. We are encouraged by the numbers seen so far, and the team remains committed to playing our role as we work to rebuild Jamaica land we love.